Hello friends and welcome back to Simora Home where we make skincare simple. And today we are deep diving an ingredient that I use in a lot of my skincare products, and it is a superstar, and that is glycerin. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what glycerin is, why you need it in your recipes, and how to use it like a pro. So what is glycerin? So glycerin is a clear, odorless liquid that is derived from either plants or animals. I personally like to focus more on the plant-based glycerins. But what it is it's a humectant. So what that means is that it attracts water from the air and locks it into your skin. So ultimately, it is the ultimate hydration magnet. Let's talk about now why it's so amazing. So here are just a few of the top benefits of glycerin. And number one is that it has really deep hydration. So glycerin keeps your skin soft, supple, and plump by drawing the moisture into the skin. Number two, it is skin barrier repair. So it strengthens the skin's natural barrier, keeping the irritants out and hydration in. Three, it's versatile. So you'll find glycerin in almost every type of product: moisturizers, toners, cleansers, and even some soaps. I know in most of my formulas, there is some type of glycerin to help keep the moisture into your skin. But fourth, it's very gentle and non-irritating, and it works on all types of skin, even sensitive and acne-prone skin. Okay, so now for the fun part. How do you use glycerin in your DIY creations? And here are just a few tips. So number one is to dilute it. Glycerin is super concentrated, so always dilute it with a little water or water-based ingredients or other ingredients to avoid the stickiness that you could feel using the glycerin. Add it to recipes, so use glycerins in your lotions, inside your body butters, your soaps, your serums, and honestly, a little bit goes a long way. So aim for about 1 to 5% of your total formula. It's so amazing that you really don't need to use a lot to get a great benefit from using the glycerin. And then number three, you can customize it. So pair it with other humectants like the aloe vera, or pair it with honey for just an extra boost of hydration. Okay, now let's bust some myths. So the myth: glycerin can dry out your skin. The truth is that glycerin only dries out skin when it's used in very high concentrations without water. So stick to balanced formulas and you're good. Remember, your formulas are balanced when they're equal to 100%. And then another myth is glycerin isn't natural. The truth is, plant-based glycerin is 100% natural and sustainable when sourced properly, which is the glycerin that I use a lot. And that is your quick glycerin deep dive. If you have learned something new or feel inspired to use it in your other skincare recipes, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural skincare tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments your favorite way to use glycerin, or if you have any questions about this ingredient. So until next time, happy crafting.